Hello everyone, good Holy. Today I'm excited to share to you my vision for an ideal multi-grade classroom. Our increasingly diverse educational landscape, multi-grade classroom present unique opportunities and challenges. Foster collaboration, peer learning, and a sense of community among students of varying age and abilities. This presentation will guide you through the essential components of my classroom design, including the setting arrangement, learning station, material storage, grouping system, classroom rules, and the teacher's movements throughout the space. So, by truthfully organizing these elements, we can create nurturing and stimulating environment that not only enhances learning but also empowers students to take charge of their education. So let's explore how each aspect contributes to a successful multi-grade learning experiences. For our setting arrangement, we can use flexible seating options like cluster of tables, bean bags, or floor cushions. Arrange desks in small groups to facilitate collaboration. So the appropriateness of this setting arrangement is it encourage peer interaction and we allowing students of different grades to work together, share ideas, and support each other. For our learning station, I create various learning stations for different subjects or skills like reading corner, math games, science experiences, and so on and so forth. Each station should be equipped with appropriate materials. So, sa corner po na yan, may mga equipment po na naaakop sa mga subject na nakakatulong sa mga students. And learning stations cater to diverse learning styles which allow students to engage in self-directed learning, and this is special in multi-grade settings where students may be at different levels. Third is for storage of materials. So I implemented labeled bins or shelves for each access to materials. I use clear containers for visibility and organization. So efficient storage helps students find what they need independently, fostering responsibility and organization skills. It also minimizes disruption during learning activities. So that's the purpose of my storage materials. So for my fourth is the grouping system. So as you can see, each table may iba't ibang grade level. And then para ma-rotate yung each group, and then ang purpose nun is para makapag-foster ng new relationship and makapag-socialize as well, and the learners have the opportunity to get to know the other learners. So this system allows students to learn from one another and provides opportunity to older students to mentor younger ones, enhancing social skills and confidence. The fifth is the classroom rules. So the purpose of the classroom rules is to develop clear, simple rules displayed prominently. So involve students in creating these rules to promote ownership. So the purpose of the classroom rules is to manage the classroom, to manage the student as well. So, establishing clear rules helps maintain a positive learning environment, which is crucial in a multi-grade classroom where diverse behaviors and yeah needs to it needs to exist, like especially when when there's a two grade levels, there is a diverse behavior. So classroom rules is a big help to guide them and to remind them the rules and regulations of the room. For my last but not the least is the teacher's movement around the classroom. So it is very important that to have a space for where the teacher can move comfortably. So the teacher should circulate frequently. That is why there's a space there where the teacher can move comfortably. And then the reason also for teachers movement is to provide support, guidance, and help the learners to feel comfortable. And active movement allows the teacher to address individual needs, facilitate group work, and maintain engagement. It also models the importance of being present and attentive in a collaborative learning space. So the purpose of this is to see and to what do you call this is to facilitate the each group. So the teacher should move around and check each group of students and let them feel that you're the mother of that room. So I believe that each of these elements is designed to create a dynamic, supportive, and effective learning environment for multi-grade learners by fostering collaboration, independence, and engagement. I believe that this classroom design not only meets for not only meets the diverse needs of the students but also enhances their overall learning experiences. In conclusion, as we envision and implement this principle in our classrooms, we not only enhance the educational experiences for multi-grade learners, but also we equip them with valuable life skills that will serve them well beyond their school years. Together, let's foster environments that inspire curiosity, collaboration, and a love for learning in every student. So again, my name is Lori Ann P. Compression, and I believe that education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world by Nelson Mandela. So peace out.